Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm thrilled to share a super effective all-natural home remedy that tackles two of the most common hair problems we all face: hair fall and dandruff. If you're dreaming of strong, shiny, and healthy hair, you're in the right place. This hair mask is a game changer, and it uses simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. It's designed to strengthen your hair from the roots, reduce hair fall significantly, and keep your scalp clean and flake-free. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to hair troubles and hello to gorgeous locks, keep watching. Let's dive right into what you'll need for one application. First, grab half an egg white. Egg whites are packed with protein, which is essential for building strong hair. Next, you'll need 5 tablespoons of yogurt. Yogurt is fantastic for its moisturizing properties and its ability to soothe an irritated scalp. Finally, we'll add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Mustard oil is a powerhouse ingredient in hair care. It stimulates blood flow to the scalp, promoting hair growth and fighting off scalp infections that can cause dandruff. These 3 simple ingredients work together to create a potent hair mask that will nourish your hair from root to tip. Now, let's get into the instructions. It's incredibly simple to prepare. In a clean bowl, take the half egg white and add the 5 tablespoons of yogurt. Give it a good mix until they are well combined. Then, add the 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Stir everything together until you have a smooth, consistent paste. You want to make sure there are no lumps so that the application is even and easy. It should only take a minute or two to get the perfect consistency. See, a beautiful, creamy hair mask, ready to work its magic. Once your mask is ready, it's time to apply it. I recommend starting with dry or slightly damp hair. Part your hair into sections to ensure you can get the mixture directly onto your scalp. Using your fingertips or a brush, apply the mask evenly all over your scalp. Don't be shy with it. The scalp is where the magic really happens. Once your scalp is fully covered, work the remaining mixture down the lengths of your hair, making sure every strand is coated. After applying, take a few minutes to gently massage your scalp. This not only feels amazing, but it also helps to boost blood circulation and improve the absorption of all the wonderful nutrients in the mask. After you've applied the mask and given yourself a nice little scalp massage, you'll want to leave it on for about 10 minutes. You can clip your hair up or cover it with a shower cap to avoid any drips. 10 minutes is all it takes for the ingredients to penetrate your hair follicles and scalp. This is a quick treatment, perfect for when you don't have a lot of time. When it's time to wash it out, there's a very important step. Do not apply shampoo directly onto your hair. Instead, take a small amount of your regular shampoo and mix it with some water in a cup or a mug to dilute it. Then, pour this diluted shampoo mixture onto your hair and gently lather. This method is much gentler on your hair and helps to wash out the oil-based mask without stripping your hair of its natural moisture. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water until your hair is completely clean. Avoid using hot water, as it can be harsh on your scalp and hair. For the best results, consistency is key. You should apply this hair mask once a week. Some users have reported up to a 75% reduction in hair fall after using it consistently for 3 months. That's an amazing result for a natural remedy. Not only does it reduce hair fall, but it also effectively fights dandruff, strengthens your hair roots, and leaves your hair looking incredibly healthy and shiny. And the best part is that it's completely natural and safe for long-term use on all hair types. Just remember not to overuse it. Once a week is the perfect frequency. For even better and faster results, remember to pair this hair treatment with a balanced, healthy diet. True hair health starts from within. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you give this amazing hair remedy a try. If you do, let me know your results in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips for healthy, beautiful hair. See you in the next video.